Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you how to download and install the MX Player Pro on your Fire TV device. This is going to be a full guide. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your Fire TV device to install the MX Player Pro to your Fire TV. This is going to be easy. If you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share so you can support me so I will create more videos like this. So that's it, let's get started. This is my Fire TV device, and the very first application I need on this process is the downloader application. So let me start by installing downloader, which is the simplest to install. To do that, all I have to do is to come over to the find button on my Fire TV, and in the search box I'll type in downloader or just simply D. As I type in D, I'm going to get a suggestion over here for the application, and here's it over here. So I'll come over here, click on downloader, and here's the application. It is compatible to my device, so I just go ahead and install because it is available on the App Store. The reason I'm installing this application is because this is what I'm going to use to install the other applications, but the other applications are not available on the App Store, so I need to install, download and use it since I need it. Now the application to be installed is very simple. Now what you have to do is to return home, and the very first step to installing the MX Player Pro has been done, which is installing downloader. The next step on our Fire TV device is to make sure that our Fire TV device allows us to install applications from third-party sources. This is because on default, a normal Fire TV device doesn't allow you to install applications from unknown sources, and as a user you need to turn that on. So to turn it on, it is very simple. Let me show you how to do that. To do that, you have to go over to the option of settings, and in the settings, over here, go over to the option that says my Fire TV. So come over to my Fire TV, and on mine here, I already have the developer option turned on. On yours, you might not have this turned on, but I just want to see if you have this turned on, then you can quickly forward the video to the part of where you might be interested in. But if you don't have developer option turned on, please let me show you how to turn that on. Come back to the option that says about, launch it, and on the first option or the name of your Fire TV device, click the OK button on your remote 5 times until there is a pop-up that says no need, you are already a developer. Now once you have that pop-up turned on, you are going to realize the developer option is turned on your Fire TV device. Now you might quickly add, what is the use of this? The use of this because you have the feature that says app from unknown sources. This app from unknown sources is the feature on your Fire TV device that allows you or denies you from installing applications from unknown sources, or what we normally call third party. So we need to make sure that this option is turned on your Fire TV device. If it is off, you cannot install applications from unknown sources. So if it is off, anything I'm about to show you is not going to work. So that's why you need to turn this on. So when this is turned on, you can then return home, and let's continue to the third step. The first step is installing downloader. The second step is turning on the developer option on our Fire TV device. So now let's move on to the next step, which is launching downloader and installing a mini app store that's going to give us the option of installing this application to our Fire TV device. So go over to the downloader box over here and type in this code 21254. And if you don't know how downloader works, the way downloader works, you just go over to the box over here, type in code like this, and it brings you to installing applications to your Fire TV device or even Android TV, depending on whatever device you are using. This is strictly for Fire TV. So once you go over here, it's going to bring you to a page called Malavida, and this page is going to allow you to install an application called APK Time, which is a mini app store. So as a result of this video, I'm not just showing you how to install the MX Player Pro, I'm also showing you how to download and install APK Time to your Fire TV, and I'm about to show you the use or the benefit of having this application on your Fire TV. Let's start by installing it. So to download, you just click on download, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to download. Once it's done downloading, you click on the install button over here, and the application is going to be installed to your Fire TV device. It's as simple as that. Now click done, delete the app file from your Fire TV so it doesn't fill unnecessary space. Once that's done, you can then return home, and we've done 3 steps. We've downloaded downloader, we've turned off developer option, and we've installed APK Time. Now once you go over to APK Time and launch it, this is how it should look like. And as I said earlier, this is a mini app store. So if you're looking for ways to install other applications from your home or on your Fire TV that are not available on your app store, you can install the APK time, and I've already showed you how to install APK time. And as you can see for yourself, there are lots of other applications you can install from APK time apart from the MX Player Pro that I am showing you in this video. So I just showed you how to install a mini app store to your Fire TV that you can use to install applications of different categories. As you can see, these are the various categories on this application they can use to install apps. So if you love it, you can go ahead and use it to install the applications. But for the sake of this video, we are strictly interested in installing the MX Player Pro to our Fire TV. So once you go over here, the category that the application is going to be available in is the category that says players and browsers. So go over to this category, players and browsers, and launch it, and you are going to see various players over here they can download and install to your Fire TV device. But for the sake of this video, we're interested in the MX Player. So what you have to do is just to browse down. As you can see, there are lots of other players. Just browse down till you have the option of MX Player. So I think here's it over here. Now as you come here, there are two options. There is the one for a 64-bit device and it's a 34-bit device. So you need to know what bit is your device. Mine is the 32-bit. If you don't know which is yours, you can just download the two and see which one is going to be compatible with your device. But for me, it is the 32-bit over here, so I wouldn't have to do trial and error. So I come over here and I click on download on the one that works for me. As you can see, MX Player Pro. So I just go over here and I click download. Once I click download, it's going to ask me to allow, and once I click allow, the application is going to start downloading. It's going to take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. It just depends on your internet speed. Mine is not that fast. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, it might help me to get a better internet speed. So I am grateful if you subscribe. Also, you can also send me a gift if that's something that you are open to doing. Anyway, here's the application. It is downloading. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and install to a Fire TV device. So just give it a second, and here's it. The application has been downloaded. Once it's done downloading, just click on install, and then the application is going to be installed to your Fire TV device or my Fire TV device as you are watching on my YouTube channel. And once it's done, please just click done, and then you can return home or you can close this application. And if you go over to the application for your apps, as you can see, here's the MX Player Pro over here. Now you can go ahead and just launch it, and as you can see, here's the application. Now I just want to say this application does not provide content or does not provide content they can watch on your TV. You need to add your own content sources to the application to be able to use it on your Fire TV device. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how to install the MX Player Pro, and I showed you a full guide. That means you follow this, everything should work for you as you saw me do on this video. So if you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.